I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I thought I'd take you along with me doing a DIY project here in my dining room. I mentioned in a few videos ago that I was on back order for some beautiful Chinoiserie wallpaper, peel and stick wallpaper. Well, it actually turned up in the mail today, guys, and my vision for this room was my husband and I did this DIY shiplap wall, and I always could never work out how am I going to decorate. Everything I put up there, I was never truly happy with until I looked on Pinterest, guys, and I seen similar style shelving where they had peel and stick wallpaper up the top. So I was really excited today that this turned up in the mail. Now I've just cut one to size, so it will just fit just squares all the way along as I go along. I'm going to attempt to do this myself without hubby's help, just because I'm too impatient and I can't wait to see what it looks like. But I'm pretty sure it'll be fairly simple. So let's get started. So guys, I picked up this beautiful wallpaper from Amazon, and I'll leave it all linked for you down below. It is from a company called Spoonflowers, and they also give you this little handheld attachment to smooth out the wallpaper as you go along.
I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now. But you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down.
So overall, for my first attempt, it was pretty easy. I just have to trim off all the excess, which you'll see at the end. But I absolutely love this design. Okay, so basically this is where I'm at. I'm just going around the doorway, and I'm going to have to come down to the light switch as well, but I need to trim off all the excess at the top. But it's getting a little tricky, but it's almost like just going around a school book where you just cut off the edges. So that's what I've been doing so far, and I'm loving how it's coming. Okay, so I took the switch plate off, and I'm just going to cut a square and just go around the edges. Okay, so this is the first time I've used peel and stick wallpaper in my home. And oh my goodness, guys, I love how it came. I've just trimmed off all the excess, and I absolutely love this baby blue colour. I've got lots of pink throughout my home, but I've also added little touches of this sweet blue colour, and I really love it. And I really feel like this is what that space needed above the shelf. So happy. So guys, now it was time to decorate, and I wanted first of all to start on this little corner of the room. I took down the shutters and I'm going to replace them with my beautiful blush pink barn door. Now I wanted to add some pretty blush pink to the shelf of the wallpaper, and I have these beautiful London in Bloom prints that are just in a Kmart frame, and I'm going to be using those as well. Now I also had this Let's Stay Home sign, which was from TK Maxx last year. I also teamed it up with this adorable pumpkin chopping board in blush pink, which is from Amazon, as well as these adorable blush pink and white oven mitts, also from Amazon, and I'll leave them linked for you down below.
And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too, if not says who, yeah, you can make it too, if not says who.
So guys, here is my Chinoiserie dining room makeover. I'm so happy with how it came.
Stay up all night, trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing decorating ideas of my home. I love to share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours. So if that's something that may interest you, I would love, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button to become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but
Now guys, you would have noticed that I brought in my throne chairs into my dining room. I absolutely love the look of them, but I'm sort of torn between whether to keep them here or back in the living room. Leave me a comment down below what you think I should do.
when we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to doing makeovers in your dining room with peel and stick wallpaper. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.